Introducing Praltrix Male Enhancement System. Made with a blend of clinical strength ingredients, Praltrix Male Enhancement is a male enhancement system that has been formulated to restore your sexual youth and performance and help you experience an intense, blissful, & powerful sex life. Praltrix Male Enhancement Dual Action Formula not only gives you an instant surge in sexual power & performance but also treats the root cause of sexual dysfunctions, ensuring that you are able to satisfy your partner consistently. Made with herbal extracts and active botanicals, Praltrix Male Enhancement is completely safe to use and is free from any harmful side effects. Triple intensity male enhancement for maximum results. The prosexual nutrient matrix in Praltrix Male Enhancement helps boost the 3 S's of sex: size, stamina & satisfaction, helping you peak, perform and pleasure your partner just like you did in your 20s. Praltrix Male Enhancement is proudly made at a certified manufacturing facility to meet statutory industry standards. You can enjoy the benefits of Praltrix Male Enhancement with confidence. The science behind better, longer & more intense sex. The blood flow to the penis is responsible for erections, while the holding capacity of the penis chambers is what influences sexual stamina and staying power. Praltrix Male Enhancement helps boost both to help you and your partner enjoy intense orgasms and complete satisfaction. Praltrix Male Enhancement Prosexual Nutrient Blend is quickly absorbed into the bloodstream to stimulate nitric oxide production. This in turn boosts the flow of blood to the penile chambers, helping you enjoy harder and stronger erections. On the other hand, it also expands the penis chambers, allowing it to hold more blood in order to drastically increase sexual stamina, strength and staying power. Praltrix Male Enhancement utilizes a breakthrough rapid absorption and extended release technology. Rapid absorption of the ingredients into the bloodstream aid in delivering an instant surge of sexual power, while the extended release technology delivers sustained results that help you enjoy on command erections and stamina to last all night long. Praltrix works by triggering the 2 mechanisms known to increase penis size, function and performance. These are an increase in